What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from the Mannequin Studio. Hey! And in today's video, I'm going to be providing you guys with a guide to styling this weekend. So you guys know it's the 4th of July weekend, it's a long weekend. So I thought to myself, why don't I share with you guys 4 different styles on how I would be styling myself to go out on this long weekend. For this video, I'm going to be picking out maybe 4 or 3 scenarios, and then I'm gonna have the outfit go concurrently with that. Editor Ben, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, boss.
All right, let's get it. Enjoy the video.
So first things first, we're gonna kick out the sneakers. You know, we've been saving these sneakers for the summertime. It's getting warm outside. So for this look, I'm gonna be wearing plain white tee that I thrifted the other day. For this look, I'm gonna have some shorts on with a pair of Jordans. I still have the pink laces on because I'm too lazy to switch to the black laces, but that's whatever. And I have a bag as well, just because I hate having stuff in my pocket. And I also have a hat as well. This is mainly because of it's probably gonna be sunny outside. I hate when I have sun in my eyes, and sometimes I just don't want to wear glasses. So that also brings the fit together. This is more like a tonal fit. Anyways, for this fit, it's more like a casual fit. You can kind of go out, maybe sit out in the park. As you guys know, at this time, not everything is open, so you kind of have limited choices, but you want to look good with those limited choices anyways. All right, to the next outfit. For this next outfit, we have a more relaxed look. Here we have some corduroy pants and the basic white Air Forces, and I'm actually gonna throw on the denim button-down shirt, mainly because this is more like it's a light material, so I can rock the open chest look with just a chain on. I also have a Brooklyn hat on for the same reason of blocking the sun away, and also it kind of brings the outfit together, where there's like the blues on my body kind of have like a tone to them, and then it's stopped by the hat, which is like a black and a gray, but you guys get what I'm saying. Anyways, as a variation, I switched my shirt to a graphic tee. You guys know this is the summertime, so graphic tees are in right now. If you're able to pick up any graphic tees from your local thrift store, shops, online, just do that. You won't regret it. For the one I have on, I thrifted it like a while back. It's like an Ace card tee. Yeah, so like I said, if you're able to pick up some graphic tees for this season, do that. Okay, on to a more mature look. If you're going to dinner, brunch, right now a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars that are open outside. Actually, I have the brown pants, fitted pants. You can also rock this with like a more loose pants if you want to, but for me I prefer it fitted just because. And for the inside, you have a basic plain white tee. You can never go wrong with white tee. I have this vintage bowling shirt that some of you have probably seen on my Instagram, but I love it a lot because it just screams cozy. It screams mature but cozy at the same time. Yeah, don't be shy to put on some glasses. The sun is out there. For this one, I'm leaving my hair out, so put on some glasses. It would just kind of make the whole outfit look cooler, and you get me. For this outfit, we're gonna go to another, like this. I'll say this is a more like super mature look. For this, I have a very basic gray t-shirt from Banana Island, and then I have some pinstripe pants. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm looking way hench, way more bigger, but that's beside the point. Mine's been in the gym, but yeah, let's get back to the video. But and I just have basic loafers. Yeah, I might make a video showing you guys how to achieve this kind of look with a basic plain t-shirt. All right, yeah, so we're done with that. Over to you, Ben.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, because when you do that, it helps the algorithm of the video grow, and it makes me as a creator feel like I'm actually making something that makes sense to you. And also share the videos too, because that helps out. Anyways, hope you guys have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay maxed up, and keep looking good.